What is up, baby? What I got for y'all tonight, what I got for me, got some Domino's Thin Crust, but that ain't it. It is it, but that ain't it. I'll tell you what I did to this pizza, y'all. Move my drink aside real quick. I had them trick that baby out. And what I did, and I added my own little something to it too, but it's thin crust, chicken, bacon, garlic parmesan sauce. None of that red marinara crap. And how I tricked it out, one side got blue cheese. I put that on there myself. And the other side got that Parmesan. Oh, yeah. We about to get into that for sure. Because you know me, y'all already know the spot, right? When y'all with me, y'all know where the food is. But until then, what's that question on your mind? Is where's the food? Right here. Marcus in the kitchen. In the kitchen with Marcus. But y'all know what time it is before I get down. All right, y'all. Now, I'm about to grub for real. This is gonna be that thing where I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna talk as little as possible. But yeah, it's time to get down. Oh, did I mention this is thin crust? If I didn't, you probably can see that. Thin crust is the only way to go. I'm getting none of that old thick stuff. You're eating a lot of dough with all that. Always get thin crust. If you don't have stuffed crust. But even that ain't nothing but a gimmick. Cheese and salted crust. Just throw my cheese on top of the pizza and make it thin. And I'm gonna tell y'all right here. Oh, mm, mm-hmm. Kind of hard sometimes, y'all, to eat without saying nothing. But I guess I can ask y'all a question, right? Memorial Day weekend, right? What y'all got planned? What do you guys have planned? I am curious to know. Leave me something in the comments of what you may be doing. If you make a video or do some kind of recording or something, share with me a link. You can post links in my comments. Post a link of what you got going on. And this is gonna be doing the family thing, nothing special here. I will record though what's going on, but it ain't gonna be nothing special like that. But anytime you with family, it's a good time, right? Supposed to be. Supposed to be. Yeah, I thought I was gonna be able to eat this whole thing with y'all. As it turned out, my brother's already getting full. I'm try to eat half, but I don't even know if I'm gonna do that. 'Cause I got like 3, maybe 4 more slices before I can knock half of it out of here. But I tell y'all, thin crust, garlic parmesan sauce, 2 toppings, chicken. Oh, yeah, this one is chicken and bacon. I got another style that I do too. Everything's still the same, except for instead of bacon, I do the Philly steak. Now, if you do like I do also, you get 2 pieces for $6.99. And I do one of them pieces, like I told y'all, the bacon and chicken. The other one is going to be the Philly steak and chicken. So, try it how you want first. Because once you try it like I do it, ain't no turning back. Once you do it where the food is style on that pizza, ain't no turning back. And then try it regularly, the regular way by itself, like I told you then. If you're a cheese person, you can even mix it together, but blue cheese on one side of it, and add you some Parmesan cheese on the other side of it. Mm, mm, mm. It's just spectacular, man. I don't know what else to tell you guys, but just try this. And we're not even gonna get into that drink, right? We're not even gonna get into that drink because I'm not trying to advertise no drink. I'm not even really trying to advertise this, but try this, but I don't want to encourage drinking, should I say. Go get you some Kool-Aid. I'll let y'all know when I got like that great Kool-Aid going on. That's not no great Kool-Aid. Ooh, y'all. I don't know. I ain't gonna be able to do it. I'm not gonna force myself to do it. I gotta get up too early in the morning. But anyway, y'all, there's been another episode of me smashing real quick, and I'm just gonna say I'm out, y'all, right now. Thank y'all for watching. I mean, let's see if we can get a couple more bites in on here. But even with me doing that, I like forcing myself. Pizza is a good all American type of food. even if you can call it American, because pizza came from Italian. So, and you have thin crust, garlic parmesan, chicken, bacon. On the other side, chicken, Philly steak, y'all. Peace out.